Hello, this is Madeline Johnson, and I will be reporting on the rock cycle. This is Geoscience 106, and let's get started. So, the rock cycle. We need to first start with some basic understandings of the three categories of rocks: sedimentary, igneous, and metamorphic. Sedimentary rocks are composed of sediments from erosion that build up over time and create kind of a layer-like format structure. Igneous rocks come from volcanic magma, and once the magma cools at the surface, it can create this type of rock. This is kind of more porous, light, less dense rock, and often found near volcanoes. Metamorphic rocks are made from a lot of heat and pressure and can be found way deep down in Earth's crust, except when it comes uplift to the surface, it can also appear at the surface. So how are all these rocks connected? For this, I'll be using this illustration. So as we can see, the magma kind of creates this igneous rock once it hits the surface. It can also create igneous rock by crystallization. Once the igneous rock has formed, weathering and erosion, as well as deposition and sedimentation, will eventually compact and create this sedimentary rock. As mentioned before, we can kind of see the layers start to form. Then, after high temperatures and pressures, it'll start to become this metamorphic rock, which is much denser and more compact from all this heat and pressure. Eventually, the metamorphic rock will come back to magma after enough heating and melting, and it will become kind of this really hot lava magma from molten crust and mantle. Then we can kind of see this whole cycle, and this is what we call the rock cycle. Well, I hope you learned something today, and thanks for listening.